I think I always had like a particular Jewish identity for whatever reason there is, and it was, and also like I think it represented, first of all, it represented I think the warmth of my home life growing up, which was something very important to me. With all the arguing and yelling and stuff like that, it was very intense. We grew up in an intense household. I was always fighting with my siblings. There was always a lot of shouting, but there was always a lot of noise, and good noise too. And I associated it with my home life. I associated it with the most tender moments. Often if I have like the most intimate conversations with myself in my own life, they take place in Yiddish, because that's at my moments of greatest despair or greatest longing. The words that come to me are in Yiddish, because even though English is my best language, but I remember these from home. And so this is how I express myself to myself in Yiddish.